This is a small household temperature hygrometer. Packaging, logo and color can be customized. Inside the package are thermometers, batteries, instructions and a complimentary silicone socket. The screen of the thermometer has a protective film to prevent scratching. There are hooks and magnets on the back that can be placed anywhere. Complementary suction cups can also be used to attach to refrigerators and other places. There are two buttons on the back and a hole for setting the temperature display. When turned on, the temperature and humidity displayed can be adjusted according to the data you need. You can set the maximum or minimum temperature. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact me.